students, I welcome you all to today's session. I hope all of you are doing perfect at your places. Today's topic is reported speech. When we wish to tell somebody about another person's speech, there are two ways in which we can do it. We can use the exact words of the speaker called the direct speech, or we can express it in our own words called the reported speech. Reported speech is called the indirect speech also. तो आपकी direct या indirect speeches होती हैं. इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच को रिपोर्टेड स्पीच भी बोलते हैं. जब आपको कोई कुछ बताता है, दो तरीके होते हैं कि आप उस बात को आगे कैरी फॉरवर्ड कैसे करते हो. या तो आप उसके एग्जैक्ट वर्ड्स को कोट करते हो बिना किसी चेंजेस के, उसको बोलते हैं डायरेक्ट स्पीच, या फिर आप अपने वर्ड्स में उसकी बातों को एक्सप्लेन करते हो, इसको बोला जाता है इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच या फिर रिपोर्टेड स्पीच. एग्जाम्पल्स, He said, I am fond of tea. तो यहाँ पे आपने क्या किया है, डबल इन्वर्टेड कॉमास के बीच में जितने भी वर्ड्स आते हैं वो आपके एग्जैक्ट कोटेशंस होती हैं, तो ये आपका डायरेक्ट स्पीच आ जाएगा. कोई चेंजेस आपने स्टेटमेंट में नहीं करे हैं. He said that he was fond of tea. This is indirect speech, क्योंकि यहाँ पे आपने वर्ड्स को चेंज करके बात वही बताई है, लेकिन आपने वर्ड्स को टेम्पर करके अपने वर्ड्स में उसको बताया है. Now Priya said, Shivam, I am already late. Direct speech. Priya told Shivam that she was already late in direct speech. Now let's see some of the grammatical rules of these speeches. Direct speech, the verb actually introducing the words of the speaker is called the reporting verb. It indicates who speaks to whom. The reporting verb is followed by a comma. The actual words of the speaker are placed within inverted commas, or it is called the direct speech. The first word of the direct speech begins with a capital letter. तो आपका जब भी direct speech यानी कि आप कोई changes नहीं कर रहे हो, exact words में आप बता रहे हो speaker के, तो हमेशा आप क्या बोलोगे. For example, अगर मोहन नाम है तो आप कैसे बोलोगे, मोहन said, फिर आपका एक कॉमा आ जाएगा. डबल इन्वर्टेड कॉमास के बीच में अगर सपोज मोहन ने बोला है आई ड्रिंक टी और आई लव बुक्स, कॉमा के बाद डबल इन्वर्टेड कॉमास और बीच में आ जाएगा आई लव बुक्स. एग्जैक्ट डायरेक्ट स्पीच आ जाएगी, कॉमा डबल इन्वर्टेड कॉमास के बीच में आप उसे डाल दोगे, वो आपका इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच, वो आपका डायरेक्ट स्पीच हो जाएगा. Then we have the reported or the indirect speech. The reporting verb is not followed by a comma, but it is often followed by a suitable conjunction, that or if. The reported speech is not placed within inverted commas, and the tense of the verb usually changes if the reporting verb is in the past, and pronouns too are changed as per the requirement of the speech. अब यहाँ पे reporting verb के बाद कोई comma नहीं आएगा, that या if के साथ आपका conjunction add हो जाएगा, commas आपके यहाँ पे हटा दिए जाते हैं, और ज़्यादातर आपके टेंसेस को भी चेंज करा जाता है, एंड समटाइम्स द प्रोनाउंस आर आल्सो एडेड अकॉर्डिंग टू द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ द सेंटेंसेस. Now changes in tense when direct speech is converted into reported speech. If the reporting verb is in the present or future tense, the tense of the verb is in the direct speech does not change. For example, he says I am studying, he says that he is studying. तो ये आपका present tense में चल रहा है, ing के forms आपके ज़्यादातर indirect speech में भी change नहीं होते हैं. If the reporting verb is in the past tense, the tense of the verb in the direct speech changes as follows. Direct speech, another side is the reported speech. Am, is or are is changed to was or were. Was, were is changed to had been. Has, have is changed to had. Present simple becomes past simple. Present continuous becomes past continuous. Present perfect becomes past perfect. Present perfect continuous becomes past perfect continuous. Past simple becomes past simple becomes past perfect. Past continuous becomes past perfect continuous. Past perfect is changed into past perfect. It remains unchanged. Will, shall becomes would or should. Can, may becomes could or might, and must becomes had to. These are basic changes. ये आपको याद करना पड़ेगा, तभी आप अपने आंसर्स में सही तरीके से changes ला पाएंगे. Now exceptions to the rules. When the simple present tense states a universal truth or a scientific fact, that is there is no change in the present tense. अब या तो कोई habitual चीज साइंटिफिक फैक्ट या यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ आ रहा है, तो आप indirect स्पीच में डायरेक्ट स्पीच में दोनों में उसके टेंसेस सेम ही रहेंगे. एग्जाम्पल, समीर सेड द सन राइजेज इन द ईस्ट, समीर सेड दैट द सन राइजेज इन द ईस्ट. तो यहाँ पे आपका दोनों ही केसेस में रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में भी और डायरेक्ट स्पीच में भी आपके टेंसेस चेंज नहीं होंगे, बिकॉज ये यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ है. Now the simple past stating a past historical event remains unchanged. Example, the teacher said India got freedom in 1947. The teacher said that the India got its freedom in 1947. ये भी आपका past event है, but क्योंकि ये एक fact है, तो ये भी कोई टाइप का इसमें आपका tense change नहीं होगा. Then say and tell. When there is no mention of the person spoken to, say does not change into tell. On the other hand, if there is somebody to whom the words are being spoken, say changes into tell. जब आप जिससे भी बात कर रहे हो उस इंसान का कोई मेंशन अगर नहीं है तो say कन्वर्ट नहीं होता है tell में, बट जहाँ पे आपको पता है कि आप किससे बात कर रहे हो उसका मेंशन भी स्टेटमेंट में है, तो say कन्वर्ट हो जाता है tell में. Example, he said I'm tired. He said that he was tired. He said to her my book is torn. He told her that his book was torn. तो यहाँ पे आपके इस तरीके से changes देखे जाते हैं. Now, changes in pronouns in reported speech. The first person pronouns I, me, my, mine, we, our, us, ours inside the inverted commas change into the person and gender of the subject of the reporting verb. Example, she said, I am a student. She said that she was a student. Second person pronouns you, your, yours change according to the person and gender of the object of the reporting verb. Example, I said to him, you are my brother. I told him that he was my brother. The third person pronouns in the direct speech do not change. For example, he said she was very clever. He said that she was very clever. Third person का pronoun यहाँ पे change नहीं होता है. Change in expressions denoting the time and place. If the reporting verb is in the past, the changes that take place in the expressions denoting time and places are as follows. One side is the direct speech, another side is the changes in the indirect or the reported speech. Now becomes then. Today or tonight becomes that day or that night. Tomorrow becomes the next day or the following day. Yesterday becomes the previous day or the day morning. And then the last night becomes the previous night or the night before. Ago becomes before. At present becomes at that time. Next week becomes the following week. And here becomes there. Example, he said to me, your brother left an hour ago. He told to me that my brother had left an hour before. Ago convert ho gaya before mein. Some more changes of direct and reported speech. Come becomes go, this becomes that, bring becomes take, and these becomes those. Now let's do some exercises. Assessment zone, fill in the blanks suitably to complete the sentences in the reported speech. She said Neera has broken the pen. She said that Neera had broken the pen. Has convert ho jayega had mein. Now change the following sentences into reported speech. She said I am nervous. She said that she was nervous. I convert हो गया she में और am convert हो गया was में. Now changing interrogative sentences into reported speech. The reporting verb say changes into ask, inquire, wonder, etc. All the general rules for the change of pronouns, tenses, etc. are applicable. The interrogative structure is changed into the affirmative structure. In the yes-no questions, if or whether is used after the reporting verb to introduce the indirect question. In WH questions, questions beginning with who, whom, whose, what, which, when, where, why and how, if or whether is not used. The given question word itself is retained to introduce the reported question. अब interrogative sentences में जहाँ पे आपकी कोई चीज़ें पूछी जाती हैं, reporting verb जो होता है, for example say आपका convert हो जाता है inquire में, ask में, wonder में, and then followed by the other changes. Remember, you never use conjunction that to introduce a direct question. Direct question है तो आप that का उसमें enter नहीं करोगे. Now, yes, no questions. He said to me, will you help me? He asked me if I would help him. He said to them, will you listen to her? He asked them if they would listen to her. Now, then we have WH questions. He said to his wife, how many people are invited to dinner? He asked his wife, how many people were invited to dinner? अब direct question है तो यहाँ पे आप देखोगे passive voice में भी that बीच में नहीं आया है. The tourist said to her, where is the inquiry office? The tourist asked her where the inquiry office was. Now, assessment zone, convert the following sentences into direct and reported speech. The teacher said to her, what is your name? अब direct question है तो यहाँ पर आपका that तो नहीं आएगा. The teacher asked her what her name was. Now, changing imperative sentences into reported speech. While changing imperative sentences, that is commands, requests, suggestions, etc. into reported speech, we make the following changes. The reporting verb say is changed into a verb of command or request such as tell, order, command, ask, beg, urge, remind, etc. according to the sense of the sentence. The infinitive to plus verb की first form is used in indirect commands. If the imperative sentence is negative, we use not before the to infinitive. And in the sentences beginning with let, the reporting verb is changed into proposed or suggested. In place of infinitive, should plus verb is used. All general rules for the change of pronouns, etc. are followed as usual. Examples, he said to the servant, open the window. He ordered the servant to open the window. Don't tease the monkeys, the grandmother said to the children. The grandmother asked the children not to tease the monkeys. तो यहाँ पर आपका जहाँ पे command वगैरह दिया जाते हैं imperative sentences में, command, suggestions, anything like that, यहाँ पे आपका say convert हो जाता है order, command, beg, depending upon what is the demand of the sentences, followed by other changes. Now let's do some questions. Assessment zone. Change the following sentences into reported speech. The teacher said to the students, write your answers neatly. The teacher commanded or ordered the students to write their answers neatly. Now changing exclamatory sentences into reported speech. The following changes take place while exclamatory sentences are changed into reported speech. The reporting verb is changed into exclaimed, declared, wished, prayed, etc. according to the sentence. अब यहाँ पे आपके exclamation आ जाते हैं. Exclamatory sentences में किस तरीके से आप बताते हैं? जो आपका exclamation mark होता है वो आपका exclaimed, declared, wished इन सब चीज़ों से change होता है in your reported speech. Example. Alas, explained with sorrow. Hooray, explained with joy or delight. Oh, exclaimed with surprise. And wow, exclaimed with joy or delight. In reported speech, the sign of exclamation is omitted and all the interjections like hurrah, alas, etc. are dropped. The conjunction that is used to introduce the reported speech ends with a full stop. Examples, he said, what a dreadful accident. He exclaimed with the fear that it was a very dreadful accident. तो यहाँ पर आपका क्या हुआ? That तो आएगा ही, लेकिन reported speech के बाद आपका that आएगा और आपके exclaimed जो भी आपका sentence का demand है वो आपका उसके हिसाब से वर्ड्स आ जाएंगे. He said to her, bravo, you have done well. तो यहाँ bravo आपका हट जाएगा. He applauded her saying that she had done well. Assessment zone. Change the following sentences into reported speech. He said, may you succeed in life. तो यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है? यहाँ पे आपका normal चीज़ हो रही है, wish करा जा रहा है. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? She said, may you succeed in life. She wished that you or he may succeed in his life. So students, with this also we are done with this chapter. Please go through the direct and indirect speeches or the reported speeches. Look for the changes, किस तरीके से changes होते हैं, and rest of the exercise questions, please do it yourselves.